everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine that I do, so let's get started. Alright, to start things off, I'm going to be going in with my Hangover Primer from Too Faced. Next up, we're going in with my favorite foundation. It is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Soft Beige. Then with a damp beauty blender, I am just going to be blending it out. Next up for concealer, we have the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I am in the shade Creamy Beige. And we're going to bring it all the way up onto our eyelids. Then I will be using the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Banana Light. And I'm just gonna go back in under my eyes to get rid of any creases and on top of my eyelids. And then I'm gonna take a setting brush and set the under eye area. Taking the same setting powder, we're just going to set the rest of her face. Next, I will be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronzing up the skin with it. So since this is my everyday makeup look, what I really like to do is actually take the same bronzer that we used on our face and put it in the crease and use that as our eyeshadow. Then what I like to do and add a little bit of color to my nose and definition is to use the same bronzer and contour our nose. Then I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. These blushes are so good. They're so pigmented and they're so cheap. Alright, and then for highlighter, I'm just going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. And I also like to put some in the corner of my eyes to brighten them up and make them pop more. Also with my finger, I'm just gonna go ahead and dab a little bit on underneath my eyebrow. Then for brows, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. I use a pretty light hand with this because this is like an everyday makeup that I do, so I don't want it to be too harsh. Then I like to go in with a little eyeshadow brush and go right underneath my eyes to give them a little bit more definition. I feel like you can never leave your under eye bare, especially me. I don't know, I feel like so weird if I don't have color under there. Then I'm going to be curling my lashes. And doing a little bit of tight lining. And then we're gonna go in with my favorite mascara. It is the Buxom mascara. Oh, I love this mascara. It lengthens your lashes so much. Then I like to add a little bit of gloss. I will be using the Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss in the shade Socialite. Gonna mix it up. Woo! And this completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple and easy everyday makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you next time.